Alright, I'm gonna do a bike check of my bike. Um, Here we go. Start back here on the tires. We got factory FS 100s by Tioga. Um, the rim is a FBM, I think. I don't know. It came with the bike. Um, Standard steel pegs, KMC chain, FBM sprocket and crank, twisted PC pedals, plastic pivotal seat. Um, Up here we got the Tioga Comp 3 25th anniversary edition tires on another I think FBM rim, and the one in the back is a 1.85 and the one in the front is a 2.25. Um, we got a white FBM Heathen frame, uh, plastic pivotal. I don't know if I said that yet. Generic stem. It's a FBM stem, and we got FBM handlebars, nice Mizio grips, generic plastic bar ends, and yeah, that's basically the bike. All right, thanks for watching.